I'm Dr. Chris. I'm the founder of MuscleCare. If you or someone you love suffering from sciatica, especially at this time of year, and that's going to impede their holidays, I strongly recommend, if you want it gone by Christmas, do these 3 stretches over and over again. They'll feel better. You'll have a much better holiday. For the buttock and the lower back, lie flat on the ground, head down. Left leg stays on the ground flat, don't bend it. Lift the right knee up, reach behind the hamstring closer to the knee, and pull that knee back, because a lot of people have knee issues. So let's not squeeze the knee and grab it on top. Hold it behind, pull it to that chest on that side. For the side of spine, make sure that you actually open up your legs. They're wider than shoulder width for stability. Put your left hand on the left side of your lateral left leg or hip. The right arm goes straight up in the air and you lean to the left side. So your right arm should be pointing to the left and it should be straight all of the time. Do both sides exactly the same. Put that right foot up so the heel is on a chair. Start with that. Keep the leg perfectly straight. Don't bend the leg. You want to stretch the connective tissue in the back of the knee. This is what everybody misses. So if you do that and you're getting used to that at that level, that height of the chair, then start to hinge at the waist and lean your body forward. Don't round the shoulders, don't round the neck. Hinge forward. Put more stress on that hamstring to stretch. That's an effective way for those that have, again, balance issues or dizziness or vertigo problems. You're feeling better, aren't you? You've done your mini series of stretches, but you know what? If you want to take full advantage and feel even better and improve your pain-free journey, see my full series of stretches in the link in the description below. And if you want to take it one step further, don't forget MuscleCare. It's the all-natural, sub-topical, evidence-based pain, spasm, and inflammation reliever. Feel better this Christmas. It goes everywhere you go. It even goes on planes together. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.